ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ one poem is there about fail. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಟ ಆಡಿದ್ರು, ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣವಾ? ಎಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 19 children. English textbook page number 19. The fun fail. What is the poem name? The fun fail. Poem 1 is, and that name is The Fun Fail. ಜಾತ್ರೆ. ಫನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್, ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋದು. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಜಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಸೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್. ಲಿಸನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ, ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಓಕೆ? ಎಸ್. ದ ಫನ್ ಫೇಲ್. Round about and round about and round about we go, around the merry roundabout we are riding high and low. Our prancing horses leap and bounce and gallop high above the ground. As round about and round about and round about we go, swinging in the swing boat, swinging as we go, swinging, 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 high, low, high, swinging to the cloudy sky, high, low, high, swinging to the ground below, low, high, low. Understand? Yes. Okay. So here the children are telling how they will enjoy in the fair. So children ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? fair ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So what? Wow, so many things will be there to play. No, ತುಂಬಾ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇನು ಆಟ ಆಡಿದ್ರು, ಯಾವ ತರ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಹೌ ದೇ ಫೀಲ್, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ತರ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡುವಾಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್. ಯಾವ ಗೇಮ್ ಫುಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೇರಿ ಗೋ ರೌಂಡ್. ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. So this is merry-go-round. So round about and round about we go. Round ಸುತ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, round ಆಗಿ ಸುತ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. Round the merry round about. What is this game name? Merry-go-round. Yes. Our prancing horses leap and bound. See, this is what is this? Horses are there, no? Prancing horses means a merry-go-round. Horses spring on their back legs. Horses ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Spring on their back legs. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ back legs ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲುಗಳು. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು? ಸಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್. ಈ ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಬೌನ್ಸಿಂಗ್. Okay, prancing horses leap and bounded means the horses attached to the roundabout look like they are jumping and running very fast and gallop high above the ground. Gallop andre horse. ಯಾವ ತರ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಹಾರ್ಸ್? ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಾ? No. Some animals will hop, some animals will travel, some animals will merry-go-round. One more. You say for this one, Columbus ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, swinging boat ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. So once again, I am repeating this poem. Listen it carefully. Okay? You should also say with me. ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? The fun fair. Round about and round about and round about we go. Around the merry round about we are riding high and low. Our prancing horses leap and bound and gallop high above the ground. As round about and round about and round about we go. Swinging in the swing board, swinging as we go. Swinging, swinging, swinging. High and then low. Swinging to the cloudy sky. High, low, high. Swinging to the ground below. Low, high, low. I think you have understand this poem now, children. Have you understand? Yes, I hope you have understand. So here also one more stanza is there. The gleaming word begins to read as upward steals the great big wheels. We are slowly lifted through the air until we see the ceiling fade. The stars, the wings, the swings, the streaming people, fields and trees and distant steeple. Gleaming means shining. Gleaming word begin to read. We feel that everything around us is spinning. Upward steals, moves up slowly, big wheel. So after merry-go-round, swinging board, here they were explaining about big wheels or enjoy and learn to read beside this poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.